Welcome you guys. Welcome to watching my video. This is my second video, and today I'm going to explain introduction around the Excel sheet, explain Rubin and basic formatting. So last video I've explained everything. So now the today topic is count A and count blank, count ifs and count ifs. What is the use of this formula? What is the difference between count A, count blank, count if and count ifs? Today I'll show you everything. Continue to watching my video and so that you can understand introductions. I've explained that what are basics tab informations are available and how to enter the data into Excel. So everything I have explained in last time video. So if you have questions, so please go through it and let me know if you have any questions. Really appreciate if you have any question, and please provide the comments. So we'll upload the next video as per your question queries. Now today the subject what I'm going to explain is introduction around the Excel sheet. Already explained, so I'll overview once again and review understand. So formula where we use, what is the benefit of this formula, and what is the difference between count A and count blank, count if, count ifs. So slowly gradually I'll explain each and every formula. So let's come to the Excel sheet. Here you can see, so introductions already done. If you still have a question, so please let me know. I'm going to hide this, so it should not impact our training. Yeah, that's fine. So the first formula is count. So I'm trying to explain the count, what is the count is and why we are going to use this count. See, this is the formula. You can press Control Shift and A. So this formula will be appear, and put the any tax value before the equal to any tax value, so that formula will continue display at your screen. So now count, here you can see count, value 1 and value 2 and so on. So what does it mean? Why we are going to enter value and value 2 in this, and where would get this? So we have to give a reference and particular cell or range, so that will count in particular table, particular column, particular rows, and counts only count numeric values. What are the numeric values? So here I write 1, 2, 3 and date. If I'm write today date is also in numeric values. These are the numeric values. But if I enter A, it means A is a text. Is text. Sorry, not text. Text means A is a text, and these are the numeric values. So the count formula is count only numeric values. Here I have example. Yes, so might help you in this. Just allow me a second. Yes, so here I have a table. I have created the table so that I can explain what is the use. Here I have already coded the formula, where we use and what is the formula is. So count A and count will show the difference between it. Count, I have to count total number of values, total number in that particular table. So we got answer 19. So let me manually count this. Here we have total number of count 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 and 10 and 8, 18, and this one 19, means total 19. This means date is also count by the count formula. So means it's only calculate, here we can only calculate the numeric values, only calculate numeric values. Now come to the next. I will show more example. So just allow me a second. So next, count a. So where we use count a. First show the formula. What is the formula is? Count a, control shift a, you can get this option. Put the any numerical value, so that formula would be displayed at your screen. So now same formula, you can see there is no difference, just except a, nothing is different in it. If you remove a, the same formula, but there is a huge difference between it. Here you can count only numeric values, here you can count both values, either numeric or a text. Let me show the example for you. Count a, give the tab, select range. I've selected the range and hit enter. See the results, 21. It's mean overall all table values has been counted, 21. So if I enter a 0 here, the number will going to change. If I enter a, the number will be down, but there is number count is same. Why? Because let's see, there's one value is minus, means count a can count numeric value and text value as well. So the R result is that this formula means count a formula is calculate is count the numeric and text both. So hope you understand what is the difference between two formulas. Now come to the third, count if. What is the count if? So see we have to come to the index, so that okay, sorry. So next topic is count blank. So suppose you have a 2000 rows and you wanted to count this, how many blanks I have in particular row and column. So behalf of this formula you can easily find out this. See here example. Here I have a count if. I wanted to count by rows, so count blank, sorry guys, count blank. Here I have to try to find out by rows. So you can see there is no blank. Here I have a 2 blank. Here I have 0 0 0 1 blank found here. So means in particular table how many blank we have, it does not mean you can find only one column and one row. No, you can find particular table from the particular table. So it will going to save your time, lot of time, because you have a data 10,000 20,000 and nearby sometime get a lakhs. So that time if you do your manual work, so you can get it. So behalf of this formula you can easily find out, and definitely will help you while going to filtration your data, filtering or any count, and if kind of analysis you are doing. So depend on your requirement. So now to the next topic is count if. Sorry, the form count if equal to count if. Suppose I wanted to count how many zero in this list, in this table. So this I have put 0 and this 1 0. It says to in all table we have 1 0. Now put the 2. So automatically result will going to change. So you can understand that what the formula is. if you understand the count if, you can find the value as per your condition. Find the value as per condition or conditions. Now guys, suppose if you wanted to have a multiple criteria in your table, and therefore this wanted to get a result, so which formula going to use this? It's called count if. Suppose I will give a condition that the cell where we have 0 and 10, the particular table have 0 column in column 10 and 0, the total number of values I want in that particular count cell. So we have to count this. So behalf of this formula you can find count ifs. You can give criteria range, multiple criteria you can provide this, and for this you can find your data, as per your requirement. You can easily get it the result. So criteria range, first it shows criteria range. I have to put this range and comma criteria. So criteria is 20. I'll give you less than 21, comma in this criteria I want 30, the total number of count 1, greater than 21 means no result. Let me change this. The condition did not match, the other result shows 0. Both conditions should be matched. The behalf of this result will be appear here. One condition is matched, then result is showing 30. Simplest, the meaning is that both condition will be matched, then result will be appear. Else it's not possible to match the result. So I would request to you that understand what the formula is. If you understood, you can easily get it. So I have received few questions from my nearby colleague, and behalf of this I have created a table and all. So I'm behalf of question I'm going to work and we'll try to find out the result. Here I have a table. Let me zoom this. Here you can see, here I have a larger table and I have a multiple different type of data, so that I'm trying to explain as much as possible so that you can understand, guys. First I wanted to count numeric values. Here you have how to count this. Count A. I want that in particular column how many numeric values available. So now this 16. So I have to copy paste the formula by pressing Ctrl R. So now every column has their own result. Talk about tax point. So equal to, here I have a challenge, guys. Suppose how to count the tax value only. I wanted to count only taxed. So might numeric value will be taxed. So how to tax? Only count taxed values. means suppose we have a column, so you have to find out how they find the tax values. So let's come and find out this. Total values minus, so equal to, you have a formula count A. If I count all values and then minus the numeric values, so R means this, so definitely it will help us. So what is different? It says 16 minus 1, but this is not correct. How? Because this is 1, consider 1, and it also 16 plus 1, so no, this is not a correct result. So I'm going to select the whole column. See the result. There are two REF and 000. There are two tags available in this column. Now I have to, there are another way as well. Count A, sorry guys, count A tab and then select all, then minus, let me scroll down, minus 14 and hit enter. So Control R, paste this, copy and paste this, and you can easily get this result. Here I have a total numeric value, tax values 2, 4, 5, 1, 4, 1. So you can get the results with using formula. You can use multiple formula together, depend on your requirement. I did what I did, first count all values counts total in a particular column, and after that minus this means L20. So L20 result says is total number of numeric values in particular column. So here I have result table all values, count all values. You can use count A here, numeric values into table column wise. So I have already did it. You can total this if you want. Count tax value in particular table in column wise. I did it and above, see results. The total tax values, taxed values. Count tax values row wise and table like this. Total tax values in row wise. Total count A, total values. I think I did something wrong. Count taxed values row wise into the table. So what you need to do, first we have to count on row wise, means as this. So how do I do it? 1 2, if you're starting 3 to 19. So let's count this by using formula. Count tax volume row into the table. count A. I wanted to count tax value, so means here we have result 10, 20s. Close the bracket minus count. As previously explained that count can count only numeric values. So here we have you can take a reference 2 to 10 and close the bracket. Total tax is 35. And three questions, question 3, 4, 5, 6. If you have any problems, so please let me know. I'm leaving for you guys so that you can learn something new, where I can understand that you might get a problem. So that's question I'm completing. In total table, count blank tab. Also guys, I'll tell you one thing. Suppose if you wanted to count non-blank cell, so how to count this? Total 3 blanks in particular table, and above table there are 3 blanks available. Let me check. There is 1, there is a 2, and where is the third one? Third one is this, I think so. 1. Let me zoom little bit, zoom out so that I can get the result. One. Let me red highlight so that you can able to see this. 2, and me also, without losing the time. Where is 3? And 3. Since we have 3 results, means we are correct. The next question, that count hello into the table. How to count this? I'll tell you. I told in beginning that we have one condition, means we have to use count if. Count if equal to count if tab, select the range, control shift control right arrow, comma, write hello in double quote. You can understand whenever you have to write the tax value in formula, so make sure you have to use double quote starting and ending, then result will be appear, else you will get error. So total number of hello is 10 in this table. So this way you can guys really it will help you to how would I use the formula in Excel, what the benefit is. Basically that you have to count, if you wanted to count in larger prospect like 10,000 or 10 lakh data, so that time it will be very critical to find out. You have to go manually and check. It's very critical. This formula you can easily find out the result, and also you can use multiple purpose. You can suppose if you are using some larger larger formula, so let me show an example. I want how many rows have a blank in 10,000 rows. 10,000 rows, I have a data received from the client which has a 10,000 row, and I want how many blank available in the particular row. So therefore this I have to count and use the formula. Sometimes use count, sometimes count if, and I want the range total and sum of the range. So you can use this formula is very useful and generally use whenever you require. Generally people using this formula. Why? Because it's help us, and another thing is easiest method to use it. No additional skills and specific skills required. Microsoft it every day changing the Excel so that people can use non-technical skills, non-skills background people also can use this without any support. So that's all for today, and next session definitely will show you next few more formulas and details. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my Learn Excel so that we'll upload the more video. And also if you have any questions, please provide the comment and below video so that I will able to assist you on this.